Is your estate's uniqueness getting overlooked? I'm Jeff Russell with Russell Realty Group at eXp Realty, and in luxury real estate, your home is more than just square footage. It's a statement. Every contour, every corner, every custom feature tells a story. My job? To make sure that story is told with intention and impact. In today's digital-first world, your estate's first impression is often vital. That's why I use only the most sophisticated marketing tools, from cinematic drone flyovers to high-definition shots that showcase timeless craftsmanship. This is about more than just listing a property. It's about celebrating its soul and connecting it with buyers who truly appreciate rarity. When your home is exceptional, your marketing should be too. I bring a network that knows how to spot and value the extraordinary. Your estate deserves more than just visibility, it deserves the spotlight.